On Wednesday, the body of a young man identified as Sandy Pathaw was discovered in a makeshift public toilet located behind the parking lot at Nongsohphoh in Upper Mawprem. According to reports, the incident came to light after the officer in charge of the Jalupara police outpost informed local authorities. Speaking to media persons, the headman of Mauba Upper Mawprem, Nongsohphoh, stated that he was alerted about the matter by the police, following which he immediately notified the concerned authorities, including the management of the cantonment board. Thaba informed that the deceased was found inside a temporary toilet facility near the Jalupara parking area. He further highlighted that the location has been associated with various unlawful activities posing a threat to the safety of local residents. Expressing concern, Nongsohphoh alleged that despite repeated appeals to the Shillong Cantonment Board, which owns the land, no effective measures have been taken to address the issue. He reiterated that multiple complaints have been lodged over time, but authorities have failed to act against the anti-social elements operating in the area. Police have initiated an investigation into the incident and further details are awaited.
Ngayon pa phone call ka din na po IC yung ka Jalupara. Baila po nga man na for Arbunay la pentip nga kini jingja. Bilong ba la don wi na samlat. Ubi ko song masar wong po snong. Mar karang don ki jingja ki baja kan kini kisngi ba nakilang IC ru. Long kadai ki jingdi ya ba mi la pun ai dei tai bentahi wong ba. Ubi na snong ba. Sa ako snong fi te nakalang ka jonga kam tahi la wan sing ni jaka ban pentik kena la udai inde hari mga wan sing ni jaka la pentik kena ba udai mong snong ba basa ani po mo ba kini ka jaka fi kum bakalong kamdi kini kisin ka banikong ni saki kini badna baka nakapos sa kuwar kini ka jaka kalalong kum ka jaka ka ba i sakmat ka ba ngi plaju i ki lat patay kubor nakapos ko ni kaliang ki dabar snong nakilang ki NGO ki badan ki ketua melaju kanrai ni jaka nomor ki jaka kabla seni sabab pelat kabla penjat ni senong ki pamarjan kani kamdi kesin ke baningkong mengilap yu ni nak samla tang ni senong ni la don ki sausan ngut ki bala siap akan ni keju ki jaka la syedi ya bam la tip su kanu grukom ki ya tim la siap klat bagi ki jengdu ko krau ki bahaying basam ki jongki kan de nakaleng ko nga kum i romat kong ni senong moba nakon tu ki por bari pe kumjur khamtam kani ka jaka bangiyang menta ka di kontemen ki bor ni kontemen nakaleng ko nga peremjur namar pejingkom sim ke jengkit klik jongki na kani ka jaka bar kumba pi menta pula bani kani kalong ka lingkar ka ba isakngat do kata-kata jak ba ki kini ki brio ki ba kolong ini ka jaka sa jaka dam bat ka kani hingri bora iga jing sniu ka ba adu ki don ki na samala bagi saki minta bidu no jing jadi dia ba kile gini ni kam ki ba segmen ngini kita ka ini kaleng jonga tinggal tentu minta samta ke bor sarkar kani ka kontenmen bad ya baro hi ki badai pe ngini kita ka tapi dia begini ka jing ai ka komplain ngeleng ka dawar snong mau ba apa kanong sopok be dan ni kumjur kisang balang ki senam ki belada pun ai komplain ba kumjur ngi jukra ka puar gini ka jaka namar ka jaka ka ba kumangala ban mana ba ka jaka ka ba bun ki jing sniu jing idi ya bam ki jing di ki drop ki kam sniu ber ofat kita ngini jaka ka ba umlong ka ba sengai lu ba ngi ya mesni menia tapi nak school igini bentar ber ofat na kaleng jungi lap snow bagi bor bari page kham tam ka kontemen buat barang leng jungi bila om bagi simkia dai hadu bentar mana fi ko ini ki jinglong jingman ngini jaka kalong kumlo kum kalong syaar sisnam menfangi rai gini ki isu bermutar kalong kumni tinggal kentu gini ki bor bari page la ki mala ngina kaleng ki sinong ga da bar sinong makum juru ngin sadon bagi NGO disang balang ki bayar don lang be trelang ni ngin haple ra ko tinge ngini kam